You don't know it's the girl Pixie, yes, and I am back. Yeah, me know I didn't miss me now, so guess what? Happy New Year, everybody. You don't know, a new year bring new things, so you don't know it's a new season of Keep Them Talking. And guess what? We're coming from our new home, which is the Rehab Sports Bar, Pool Hall and Lounge, and that is on the Hip Strip, Mobay.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Okay, so on this week's episode of Keep Them Talking, you know, I have to bring up topics like popcorn and alkaline where it gone straight to another level, you know. You don't know, so I have to talk about that. We have to talk about Rebel Salute 2017, all of the things like one Pandesa. And then you don't know we have to carry everything from overseas, like the fact that Meek Mills and Nicki Minaj break up, the fact that Black China move out of the house with Rob Kardashian and gone with the baby and all them things there. There's a whole heap of things we discuss. So you don't know what, keep stay tuned, keep watching, and listen to all of the scoop.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so welcome back to Keep Them Talking. As I said, it's a new year. New things going on. As I mentioned before, we're coming to you from our new home, which is the Rehab Sports Bar, Pool Hall and Lounge. You don't know, we have to pick up the topic with the popcorn alkaline war. Well, it had gone from last year, but it seemed like it come over in the new year. As I said, new year bring new things, but that one you don't seem to get old at all. Yeah, so you don't know popcorn. Why right now, the biggest thing is that Alkaline drop a song called Microwave, and we are wait like what? Half a decade for popcorn reply, and we still can't get no reply. Yo, Papi, what go on? You know the right of right? What go on? You need to make we know what go on. But then again, we can't too cuss Papi still, because when him did this up Alka like take what, 2 weeks to respond, so guess what, the man needs some space, the man needs some time to think. Maybe man don't even care no more, because this war is getting out of hand. People from all sides are through fire right now, because differently from that, Tommy Lee in the war, Tommy Lee a fling a whole heap of flames from Alkaline, and Alkaline not respond. So Alka, what go on? Why you not respond to Tommy Lee? What? You afraid of him that much? The man thing just bigger than yours, or guess what? You don't know nothing about the man to fling the fire, because just like how you can say, boy, you know things about Papi, what? You don't know nothing about Tommy? Come on, Alka, we need better than that. And Papi, at time for you respond now. We have been waiting. We are waiting. The wait, it should be over by now. And brother, make sure that when you come in, you come well good and well bubbling, dog. Because the whole of we sit down and waiting, because you must have something where you go just bomb down the whole world. Why you take so long to respond? So you don't know me and all of my viewers, them are wait for this. Just hurry up and drop the thing, see me?
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so you don't know, last week was Rebel Salute 2017. And for the first time, a party has been granted weed, legal right to smoke weed, keep weed symposium and everything. So you don't know, last week was like a weed fest. Tony Rebel, big up yourself, big up the government for allowing this to happen, because we don't know a whole heap of people supposed to fly from Amsterdam and all over the world for there. So. But the thing is that we want to know why is it that all of the other artists them get only 25 minutes to perform, while Queen Africa get what, 90 minutes a year? What go on there so? What go on there so? Me kinda confused.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Okay, welcome back to Keep Them Talking. You don't know, Keep Them Talking is a Mobay thing, and it's a Mobay show, so you definitely have to bring up all of the things that we are going in a Mobay and with the people them where come from Mobay and popular in a Mobay. Marvin the Beast, yeah, I don't know if I will if on a year say Marvin broke his foot. Well, Marvin was at a party the other night, and Spice new song released. Spice new song named Sheet. Me hear say when the song drop, Marvin get mad and climb up on a roof. You don't know a theme thing that. Only thing for him jump, or either him jump or him drop back way, and thinking that another roof was behind him. Unfortunately, there was not. So Marvin drop off of the roof and broke him foot. People later have to lift him up and carry him out of the venue and carry him to hospital. We don't know how bad the foot be right now, but me I love to hear from my audience, anybody will have any links to Marvin, and make me know what go on, how the foot, if him alright. Aside from that though, him and him girlfriend, which is DHQ Nikisha, them under a whole heap of fire from people overseas, people locally, because you don't know Marvin is married. And boy, people are saying him disrespect the lady are foreign because him down here with other women and them all over social media. Because I don't know nothing where I hide right now. If you look at Marvin page and Nikisha page, all of the pictures, them you don't need to say rumors. It is there, it is evident that the two of them are dating. And boy, people are saying the only thing with Marvin, the only reason why Marvin didn't marry is because him that used the woman to get green card. It went as far as his wife, sister, actually broadcast on social media say boy him disrespectful because I use him there, use our sister to get paper and all of them something there. So you don't know, you can always check out Marvin page to see all of what go on with him and him broke foot as well as Nikisha. Marvin, get well soon because you don't know dance all of your thing and when you're not in there nothing nice, nothing normal.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so welcome back to Keep Them Talking. And you know, said from your broadcast from my new yard, I have to talk to the big man himself, Mr. Dre, of the Rehab Sports Bar Pool Hall and Lounge. Dre, what's up?
Man, I don't know. Dre Day and I place. No. Oh, God.
So Dre, what's up for the Rehab?
A whole heap of things, you know. The Rehab have big things in the future. You see, in March, we have been, I don't want to load you up too much, but a very big thing. 23rd of March, go loud. You understand? Because we have, let me give you a clue. It's between Neymar or Messi. You see what I say? So just look and listen.
So
Coming
like a
up
football
shortly. You see
season.
it? Yeah.
Alright, so apart from the Rehab, Dre, what else do you have going on for you?
We have Bring Back the Love party coming up. My brethren Philip, you don't know. That's going to be at the brewery, the 18th of February. I want to go loud. And we have All March Band, the 25th of March, same way. I want everybody want to just come out and support them. You understand? Because them party they go just speak for themselves. I tell you. So they just come out, come hear and see what I go.
Sound like March thing up though.
Loud, man. All March Band, I'm my month today, so you don't know how to loud.
Well, tomorrow night, I know that tomorrow night there's something very special and big going on here
Yeah.
for a friend of mine, a friend of yours, a friend that everybody in Amobia, Rico Snap that.
Jano, man, I tell you. We want to sleep in peace and we want the family know say yeah, we always care. And big up Snap that, the original, and big up Rico, cause I tell you, it's so sad, but tomorrow night at the Rehab Rico Memorial, I want everybody come through and show the support, cause you don't know, I really owe. Yeah, man.
You don't know my friend too, and the thing up, me definitely I go there tomorrow night because I'm my real youth that. You don't know it too, we share the same birthday, so you don't know how that go. We're very tight. Where Rico sleep in peace.
Sleep in peace, Rico. I'm a brethren Chromex too, sleep in peace. Same.
Definitely Chromex.
So, enough love and enough respect for the Rehab Lounge. Yeah, man.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Okay, so you don't know, me always a fly overseas and give you the scoop and everything we are going overseas. So you don't know there has been a war between Soulja Boy and Chris Brown. We reach the point we're in. Boy, they must say them go have a boxing match. Far as me here, a 50 Cent endorse the thing and I tell him to make it go on. Me here say even hotter than a Floyd Mayweather thing right now. But for some strange reason, well, it's not really strange because as far as me here, based on some things where me I keep up on, me here say boy, the reason why Soulja pull out is because his mother in the hospital. But differently from that, it's like the man go on with a bag of things during that time. I talk about him come from the ghetto like Chris Brown and everybody in the ghetto know him and in the woods know him. Nigga well go down in the woods, yes. I go on like say, yo, him know niggas and him and niggas a friend and end up get robbed. Like seriously dude, right on camera. Me know enough of supposed to see that video there. Chris Brown not too say nothing because Chris Brown seems to not really have the time for all of this. But differently from that, after the man, we hear say the man mother gone, in the hospital and him a call off everything after him say all him house get broken into and all of that. Me hear a next thing say, boy, he is a man who like seek attention. And these are the things that him do to get attention. I mean, you're looking attention the wrong way. This is no way. Look, when last we hear for a song from your soldier? Me can't even recall when the last time we hear a song from you. I mean, if you want attention, go do some tune, dude. Go and do some song and come up with something and give you something to talk about you a pick war. Suppose you did go in a boxing match and get thumping in your face. How you da feel about that? You need to do better, my you.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Okay, so more on the overseas scene. Nicki Minaj and Meek Mills finally broke up. Boy, Meek, how are you do now? How are you not do? Because you make Nicki left you, that means there's something wrong. After all, Uno was the power couple and nobody couldn't come between Uno. And all these niggas where you sing about or you hear about them, but none of them not really do nothing. So what happened? Well, right now she said she has focused on her career, so obviously you were a distraction. Boy, that bad. I wonder how far you're going to jump on now, Meek. But yeah, differently from that though, since Meek and Nicki break up, we see a little video where him slide for one step and about 50 step and drop down in the snow. How are you do stress out, boss? How happened there, so? Really would have loved to know. But still, big up yourself, Nicki. You don't know. Woman, power to all women. You have to focus on your career and do your thing. Yeah, big up yourself, Meek. Boy, I don't know what I'm going to do. Because me say you're the ball. They are locked up at Jinkly and a chat and sort of bullshit.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Okay, so today is a big day in the history of America. Well, the 19th, because today is the 19th. By the time you guys get to see this, the day will already be gone. But today is the inauguration of Donald Trump. Yes, the man finally step up in the White House. So I'm going to move out of Trump Towers and move into the White House. Boy, I'm not lie, I kind of just stay tuned to watch everything where they're going. And the turnout was not like Obama. You don't know when Obama did go in, the whole of the streets, them everywhere full. He never get that kind of response. I don't know if I'm disappointed or I'm happy. I don't know how to say people. I seem that people them seem divided this time around.
Church them full.
Well, I guess the church them full because everybody have pray as my friend say. Boy, I don't know what to say. I just watch to see what I'm going to do. Since him gone in, when him gone in and when him go in, or wherever way you want to put it, I just want to see what I'm going to do. Differently from that though, Steve Harvey and Kanye West went to meet with Trump. You don't know. Kanye don't talk it from day one, say him is a Trump supporter. Right now, the backlash, terrible, terrible, bad. Actually, there were cases where actors and actresses, entertainers actually were protesting. I mean, if you keep up with this thing, you will say, see, there are some serious people out there who definitely not into this. Them not have it. Them not have this Donald Trump thing. But guess what? Right now, who fi pray, I pray. Me just keep an eye open and watch to see what go on. Boy, my family over there, so I don't know what I go through for the head right now, you know, but I love to hear. My friend them over there, yeah man, you don't know, you can always text me, message me and tell me all of what go on.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so I don't know if I keep up with Drake and him feed and all these things, but it's a bag of craziness a go on. Who didn't know say Drake and J-Lo there? Like, J-Lo a cool guy in a star. Look at Drake. Well, guess what? She have a nice figure. Enough time I have to slap my man in the head when he look for them things just still enough.
Buy a nice figure.
Yeah, my friend say no, buy a nice figure. Well, guess what now? We never know say J-Lo and Drake a date until we have picture post with the both of them. But I know that's the saga. When Drake find out say Meek Mills left Nicki, Parry get up and left J-Lo. No sir, imagine this man a go hard. Half of last year, him run left Rihanna, go to one reality star named India Love. Then him left India Love for I don't know why. And run Ghana J-Lo. Now as him here say the woman when they sing about and him want for so long is single. Paris say I'm going to try a thing, you know. So we have to go see what go on here now. But guess what, Drake? You know, so you don't need to run no Nikki. Because guess what? Me go down to Brazil, go like one booty. And me go to Brazil, go fix up my breast. And me go do a suction and suck down my waist and take out coverage. And then you can't have me. You know what I think, why, Drake? You don't know what happened to you this year. Don't know what going on in New Year, yeah. But you they go hard. You definitely go hard. Ratings to your Drake, because any man can get girls like J-Lo. So ratings for you.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so you know, so I have to go, as me tell you, I miss out the Christmas season, we don't know. So I have to touch back on a little thing we go on in the Christmas. Christmas is supposed to be a happy time of the year. Everybody's supposed to be happy and all about family. But guess who never happy Christmas? Rob Kardashian. Because guess what? Black China get up and move out of the house, move with the baby, move the whole nursery, and guess what? She move all the pantry too. Why, I think that she was one of them kind of somebody who want to keep her figure. So why you move with the pantry? You never have no food at your yard? What? Robert, why so didn't I pantry? Because brother, if a woman move with all the food, you know, values in that the pantry, you know, dog. And then the thing is that this man posts a whole heap of video on Instagram, a ball and on Snapchat. Look like a little sissy. Why it make people pray you so sort of way? I mean, we're sorry for you. We feeling that in a Christmas when you're supposed to be bonding with your child, having time with the girl where you're soon to married, and all of these things. That big breakup they go on. We know that the breakup has stemmed from the fact that somebody hacked Black China Instagram account and see the messages between she and her best friend and say, boy, Robbie's a lazy bum and all of these things, and you only are married to him because you want to use the Kardashian name to make a step and all of them things there. But when me pray to, why is it that upon Instagram you discuss these things with your best friend and your liar? I mean, don't you have WhatsApp and all of them stuff that we discuss it? Face to face. Yeah, discuss it. So in some way, me not lie, me have to pray out the thing. I wonder if it's a setup thing, it's a publicity stunt. But the fact is, this January they're supposed to start the new episode or airing of the Rob and China show. You're supposed to show all the birth of a child and all of them things there in a 1 hour special. So, you know, what happened? What really happened? Why? I know say woman head kind of not writing sometimes because I want to write it and scroll on too. Well, they don't know me a queen of black and delete. But if you know say me ever get married and me have a child with this person, one of the things is that she even say, boy, Arab force her to have one pitney. Nobody can force me to do what I want. So if I don't want one pitney, nobody can force me to have one pitney. So everything just sound away. Since the breakup, we don't really see nothing Arab. China him, she back in shape and she all over the place. She just concerned with she and her kids. So we don't really know what going on with Rob. As a matter of fact, the Kardashian family have not come out and said anything towards the breakup. People actually wonder if the Kardashian family actually do a thing to kick out China out of the family, because you don't know that family is very close-knit. Them know who them want in them family and who them don't want. So brother, I don't know what go on. I really keep my ears to the ground. So if you hear what go on and you don't know from me here, you don't go here.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Alright, so you don't know Keep Dem Talkin is back on Reech TV, Cornwall Cable Channel 156, and also on YouTube at Reech TV. You can always check out all of the updates on the page, on our Facebook page, which is Keep Dem Talkin. Thank you again for watching another episode or the new episode of the new season of Keep Dem Talkin. You don't know anything where you hear, you can always send it to me via the Reech TV page or the Keep Dem Talkin page. See you next week.